Hey ladies, we'll get into this look. Curly Sue, curly who? No, I'm just kidding. But if you guys like this look and want to see how I achieved this, please keep watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and we'll be right back. Mwah, mwah, mwah. Jumping right in, the company I will be working with today is Nadula Hair. Here they sent me all the little goodies. This is the 24-inch curly wig. They sent me this cute little soft makeup brush, a leopard print elastic band, some cute 3D mink lashes, and then of course a silk drawstring bag to store my wig after I'm done. This is the unit. This is their 13x4 kinky curly honey highlight wig. It is transparent lace in 24 inches and 180 density. It does come with adjustable straps in the back. Jumping right in, I'm gonna go ahead and cut my excess lace off with an eyebrow razor. I did do a little slit in the middle using some cuticle scissors. Those of you who've been subscribed to me already know how I get down. All right, so now we just looking to see what that lace is looking like, and it's already giving scalp, as you can see. Now I'm just checking everything to make sure I like the placement. Before I get ready to hold this down, I'm going to go in with my Erica J skin guard, and then I will be using my Erica J hold me down adhesive. This is in the watermelon bottle, so it has like that watermelon tint smell to it. Super cute and my fave, and I'm only going to be doing 1 to 2 layers using my blow dryer in between. Once we get that nice and dry, you'll know it's dry because it's clear. When it's dry, it goes on white, dries clear. So I'm going to be doing 2 thin layers using my, or actually I think I'm gonna do 1. I think I do 1 layer and then use my Songbird blow dryer to blow dry till it's clear or tacky, and then I'm gently going to press my lace in like so. Yes. Now I'm going to repeat the same steps that I did in the middle on the sides until we get the whole perimeter laid down, and then we're going to get into styling. Once everything is laid down, I'm just going to take my makeup brush that has excess makeup on it, and I'm just going to buff that into my lace like so. You want to take the desired skin color of your skin for your foundation. Now I'm going to take my Remy wax stick, and I am going to just flatten everything out. So you want to get it nice and flat. I'm going to show you a difference from one side being properly hot combed and then the other side, and how much of a difference it makes. You always want to hot comb your hair. Hot comb, hot comb, hot comb. This is a Conair hot comb that I got from my local Target for about 50 bucks. But you see the difference it makes to hot comb, how flat and sleek and more natural looking the left hand side is versus the right hand side, which is just big, boofy, poofy, a lot of hair. Like, we don't want that. So slick everything down. Try to get it as slick as possible, neat as possible, and as flat as possible. Now once I get that top down, I'm going to do the same thing to the front of the hairline. I like to do the front and the top. Don't just do the front and don't just do the top, because you want it as flat as possible. It needs to be looking flat. And I will be doing a half up, half down type style, so you know, we need our ponytail looking very sleek and natural like my hair. We ain't need no helmet. So I'm just going in, hot combing everything, make sure this is nice and sleek. Once that's done, we're going to take a black rubber band or hair tie, and I'm just going to go ahead and do my half up method. I'm just doing a simple little half up ponytail, pulling this hair through. Once I get through with that, I'm going to take out some excess hair, wrap that around my rubber band to conceal that, and just hide the rubber band. And then we are going to define this curl pattern and finish up this look. To make sure that hair stays in place around my rubber band, I'm just going to spray a little bit of Got to Be Glued on the hair and comb that out so I get it nice and smooth. And I'm just going to wrap around the rubber band like so until the band is completely hidden. And just because I use Got to Be holding spray, it's going to hold as I'm wrapping the hair, so you don't have to worry about it unraveling or anything like that. Yeah. Now I'm going to run my hot comb through my little hairs that I'm going to have hanging down. These are like my little curly pieces. We are going for a no baby hair look, and it is definitely giving. All right, I'm loving it. Now I'm going to go in with some Eben lace spray, and I'm just going to spray this all over the perimeter of the hairline. And I like to just press it in with my finger. You don't really have to do that. I just like to do that so it doesn't, drip or run. And then once we get through with that, I'm going to use the leopard print elastic band that Nadula Hair provided for me. And we are just going to let that we're going to let that lace cook up under there, just bake. And while that's doing that, I'm going to take my Tai Chi 1/2 inch or 1 inch barrel wand curler, and I'm just going to go in and define these curls. You don't really have to have a real set plan on how you want these curled or a certain look. I just go in a messy motion, curling away and towards my face, because I want the hair to look like its natural texture, just more defined, since I went in and played with it and it got poofy. So I'm really just bringing the curls back, making it look more neat and more defined, not really doing too much random pieces, like I said, all over until I get the desired look that I am going for. And I'm just going to do this and then do the other side of my ponytail, and then that will be the finished look. Once that is done, we're going to pop that band off, and this is what the lace is looking like. Very much scalp. I love the Eben Wonder spray. I always suggest using a finishing spray to set your lace and just to give it that final look. Now I am going to take my Tai Chi curling wand, and I'm just going to curl my little curly pieces that I left out like so. And then once we get through with that, I think done, y'all. I'm in love with this hairstyle. Nadula Hair, 10 out of 10. Love this curl pattern, love this color. It looks amazing with my makeup, y'all. And I don't know, I was just feeling myself. It was real cute. Now I'm going to go ahead and do my little sideburns, and then once that's done, we're going to wrap up this video. That will be the finished look. And this is the finished look. Getting to her. Love it, love it, love it. Again, this is Nadula Hair. This is their 13x4 kinky curly honey highlighted wig. It did come in 24 inches and 180 density. Of course, I'm going to show you guys the lace up close and personal. No glitter, no filter. Y'all already know how we do. And this is a no baby hair look. Gorgeous, super easy to do, go-to style, super cute. And I just try to do a little something with the little curly pieces hanging down. Not too much, but not too less either. Overall, I love this unit. This hair is big and full, definitely giving 200, 250 volume. The 180 is really just showing a little courtesy, because baby, this hair is huge. But overall, I love this unit. Love the look, how it came out. Again, it's your girl Hypnotic Lady, and thank you for watching this video so much. I'll see y'all in my next video. Bye. Mwah, mwah, mwah. Love y'all.